In this video, we will look at the serial analog one-shot in simple programming, speed key SOS. We start with a program already created and a touch panel already added and open in the detail view. We need to locate the SOS in the symbol library. Open the Logic Symbols folder. Find the serial folder and open it. Locate the serial analog one-shot symbol. Click, hold, drag, and drop the SOS into the Logic folder. Double-click the SOS to expand it into the detail view. We notice that the SOS comes in as incomplete. There is an RX $ signal line on the input side, a pulse time parameter in the center, and two output signals. The top output signal is out, and the other output is the optional out star signal. To complete the SOS, we need to fill in the RX $, pulse time, and out signals. Notice that the input RX $, has a green signal line. This means that it can handle serial or analog signals as input. The RX $ signal line will take on the type of the signal dropped there. When the SOS sees a change on the RX $ input, it will pulse the output signal high for the pulse time duration. After the pulse time expires, it will drive the out signal low. The out star signal will always be the complement or opposite logic value of out. If out is high, then out star will be low. If out is low, then out star will be high. In 2 series or newer processors, the outputs out and out star are break before make. Earlier processors are not, meaning that on those earlier processors there is the possibility that out and out star may momentarily have the same value during transitions. The SOS is retriggerable. This means that the SOS will react to changes in the RX $ input even when out is being held high by pulse time. When the new change in RX $ is noticed, the SOS will keep the out signal high and restart the pulse time from the beginning and continue holding the out signal high until the new pulse time expires without interruption. We will add some signals and a parameter to complete the SOS. Switch the panel to the analog page. On analog FB11, we will add SOS RX $. This will establish this signal as an analog signal. Drag the SOS RX to the RX line of the SOS symbol. Switch the panel back to the digital page. We will add a signal named SOS out to the outline of the SOS. On the out star line, add a signal called SOS out star. On the panel on feedback 13 and 14, drag SOS out and SOS out star. Set the pulse time to 6s for 6 seconds. The SOS is now complete. The demo program will allow you to choose one of 2 values for the SOS RX $ signal. When the SOS sees the SOS RX $ signal change, it will begin the pulse on SOS out, which in turn makes SOS out star go low. Once the pulse time expires, SOS out will go low and SOS out star will go high. Unless you change the value of RX $ while the pulse time is running, in that case, SOS out remains high, and the pulse time is restarted from the beginning, and SOS out star will remain low until the pulse time completes. This concludes this video on the serial analog one-shot symbol in simple programming.